Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta kayong lahat? Today, papunta ulit ako sa aking regular massage therapy session. And naisipan ko na gumawa ng random video to share my thoughts on conventional treatment versus yung tinatawag na alternative treatment or alternative path, naturopathy, or yung holistic treatment or holistic approach. For the benefit of those na hindi pa nakakapanood ng any of my videos, my breast cancer journey, nag-start yan with conventional treatment. Nagpa-mastectomy ako or surgery or removal of the breast. And then, nakumpleto ko yung 8 cycles of chemotherapy. Kasi hanggang ngayon may mga nagtatanong pa rin sa akin na kung ilan daw bang chemotherapy ko. Natapos ko naman po yun. And then, yung targeted therapy, 5 out of 18 lang yung natapos ko. I decided to stop. Radiation, I was about to start pero hindi ko na tinuloy. As well as yung tinatawag na hormonal therapy for 10 years yung oral, hindi ko na rin sinimulan. And then, nag-shift ako sa alternative treatment, which is the holistic approach. So, meron din kasing mga followers ko or yung mga nanonood ng videos ko na nagme-message sa akin who would also like to try it na gawin ang alternative treatment. And so, na-realize ko na syempre whatever it is that I'm putting up sa channel ko, it is somehow promoting or giving idea to the viewers, especially kagaya ko na breast cancer warrior din. So, gusto ko lang maging clear kung ano ba talaga ang stand ko when it comes to conventional treatment and kung ano man yung realization ko with the alternative treatment. Okay? Disclaimer lang talaga ha. This is my own experience. This is my own opinion. And kung kayo, whatever it is that you want to decide on your treatment, just make sure that buo ang loob nyo at ito talaga ang gusto nyong tahakin. Mulan ko muna sa conventional treatment. Hindi naman natin matatanggal ang fact na ito ay back up by science, back up by statistics. So, ang dami na nilang pag-aaral na nagawa and hindi naman talaga ito gagawin sa mga hospital kung hindi naman talaga effective, right? So, hindi ko yun imemenos sa fact na ang conventional treatment naman talaga ay nakakatulong naman talaga sa mga tao. And what I have already experienced with conventional treatment ay happy na ako doon na tanggal na ang aking tumor, including the breast, para masigurado na wala nang natira, including the lymph nodes. And yung chemotherapy, I think enough na para sa akin. Ang chemotherapy, hindi lang cancer cells ang pinatay niya, it included the healthy ones or the healthy cells. So kaya nga 'di ba, merong mga side effects ang chemotherapy, which yon ang kinahina ng aking katawan for after receiving treatment. Syempre, I just tried to recover from it. So, yon. When it comes naman to alternative path or alternative treatment, I am very happy with what I am learning regarding the things na nakakatulong sa akin or makakatulong pa sa akin to heal in a natural way. And my thoughts on this ay, unang-una, this is going to be for long term. Should I say, ang magiging benefit nito ay pang long term. Pangalawa, hindi lang ito para sa akin, kung hindi para sa aking family na rin. Para magkaroon din sila ng way para maiwasan ang mga sakit or to fight disease by making sure that immune system is strong. So my final thoughts, if it's conventional treatment ba versus alternative treatment, I was able to get best of both sides. And kung ikaw nag-iisip ka ano ba ang magiging proper treatment, conventional treatment ba or alternative treatment ba, it's really up to you. It's really how you see things o yung own perspective mo about it. And I hope that you will be guided in the decision that you are going to make when it comes to your healing. Kasi 'di ba katawan mo 'yan. So ikaw ang kumbaga makaka-gauge din kung ano sa tingin mo yung mga kakayanin mong i-take, at alam mo rin sa sarili mo kung yung drive mo or yung willingness mo to go through the whole process, yung treatment, whether it's conventional or whether it's alternative, alam mo kung hanggang saan yung kaya mo gawin para gumaling. So, yun lang naman. I hope na nakatulong ito. And for those na nag-iisip, you just have to pray about it, and mas maigi na mag-research din kayo para sa sarili nyo, and kausapin nyo ang mga taong nagmamalasakit sa inyo para mabigyan nila kayo ng support kung ano ang mas makakabuti sa inyo. And until my next video, bye!